everybody, I'm TheGlitchyPizza, and thank you for watching my first video. Thank you for clicking on it, and thank you for looking at it. And in this short commentary, I'm just going to describe what I'm going to do with this channel so far. So basically what I'm going to be doing is Minecraft, building and survival let's plays and stuff like that. And also I'm probably going to be uploading a shorter or less amount of glitches and stuff, and just things I randomly come across in games. And also from time to time I might do random gameplays of indie games, or short games on the internet, or maybe real games or big games or something like that. But anyway, so basically thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video then like it and subscribe to become a pizza. See you guys next time.
I can feel you breathing. You don't have to hide it. In the distance I see your eyes.